how to log into Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here, and you have two options basically. If you have not yet created an account, you can tap the sign up option to create one, or you can basically just tap the login option that you can find from the bottom. Go ahead and then make sure to enter your username over here, and once you make sure to enter your username or your email address, you should be able to go ahead and then tap the login option, and then you'll get successfully logged in. This way you'll be able to log into Snapchat basically. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.